The Catalunya circuit in Barcelona, Spain. The press comes running up to the pit the moment the garage doors open. It's the unveiling of the new machine, painted in Suzuki blue. An official announcement is made that Suzuki will return to MotoGP in 2015. The test in Catalunya sees for the first time the test riders riding together with the regular MotoGP riders. As Brevio said, it's a great opportunity to measure the potential of the racers. And the results? The fastest time was recorded by Jorge Lorenzo, who won his third victory on the same track the day before. In contrast, Randy was ranked 8th, with only 0.7 seconds behind the MotoGP champion. We are going in the right direction with the development. The lap time was solid proof that confirmed this fact. In the test at Aragon that followed, the team collected data and fine-tuned the settings. And here the team again marked a great lap time of only 0.5 seconds behind the MotoGP circuit record. More than a year has passed since Suzuki moved away from the GP scene. During that time, the development team had been working on the project, feeling their way in each step. And with a GP racer with an inline-4 engine, their challenge is one that is unprecedented. The 3 days of testing on the GP circuits gave the team a solid confidence towards their challenge.